Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding Valorant's install directory and preparing to edit assets. This is essential because the client protects kill icon resources. Once done, make an exact backup of any file you modify so you can restore if Riot updates or something breaks. Next, run File Explorer as administrator and reveal hidden items. You'll need write access. Make sure to note the package or assets folder names because you'll target them in the next step when extracting and replacing image files. Now you extract the relevant pack or asset file that contains HUD textures. This is where the kill icon lives. Use a compatible Unreal/Valorant extractor to unpack the package, then find the kill feed icon texture by searching UI or HUD folders. You will replace the image with your new texture, but be careful. Keep the exact resolution, format, naming, and alpha channel to avoid display issues. Once replaced, repack the asset using the same tool and settings to preserve integrity. Finally, repack the modified package, restore original file permissions, and start Riot Vanguard before launching Valorant so the client sees updated assets. Once in-game, test a kill feed by either observing a match or using practice range. If the icon fails to appear, clear the game cache and shader cache, confirm packing settings, and recheck file name and format. If problems persist, revert your backup and retry the process step by step. Never run unsigned third-party injectors or online asset swap tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.